Man, this thing would be better than I thought. What is up, guys? Logan here, and I'm back with another episode of Prodigy. Now today is a big one. I just got this HP Pavilion 32-inch QHD LED computer monitor. That is a mouthful, but it is well worth it. You can probably only see my head right now because this box is ginormous. And if you've been on my YouTube for a while, you've seen that I actually have the previous version of the screen. It is smaller. It is a 24-inch. Actually, I have the box right here. It is the 24-inch 1080p HD monitor, and I really enjoyed this one. This was well worth it. It was only $90, but I just wanted something because I'm gonna be going into my dorm, so I'm gonna be gaming on my Xbox with my monitor. So I wanted something a little bigger and a little bit better clarity. 1080p is decent, but if I'm gaming, I want something with better resolution. So I've been looking around and I found this. Best Buy was having an awesome deal. This screen was originally $380 and it went way down to $280. Plus I had a $50 Best Buy gift card. So after sales tax and using the gift cards, it came out to about $250 for me. Now I think the price went back up to about $300, which is still a good deal to me. I was actually going to buy it for $300, and then the day I bought it, they dropped the price down $20 more, so that was awesome. So anyways, this is a bit big to be opening indoors, so I think we're gonna go outside where there's a lot more room and space. Let's go. Warranty and tech support. Looks like the power brick. Oh nice, it gives you an HDMI. That is very handy. Not sure what this cord is, we'll look at it later. This plugs into the power brick. Some parts. Now let's try to take this actual thing out. This is the stand that the computer will be standing on. So pretty much like the other one I have, but it is silver and it's metal. The other one is plastic. Alright, now here's the monitor. Woo! And that's all that's in the box. Okay, so first off, let's start with the wiring. First off, this is going to be the power source. You've got the power brick that plugs into the monitor, and then this part plugs into the power brick and into the wall. It is a very powerful machine, so it's gonna need this big power source. It comes with this HDMI cable, thank you for that, and also comes with this port. I honestly do not know what this is. I thought it was an HDMI, but I'm not sure. And then this looks like a wall mount, actually. So I think it is, because that's where you'd probably like put your monitor. This is where you'd hang it. I may be wrong, but that's just what it looks like. It comes with these screws, so you can mount it into the wall. And if I could do that in my dorm, that would be great. It would save a lot of space. Alright, next up, here is the stand, and here is the monitor. I'm going to carefully take it out of its wrapping. This thing is huge! Down in. I think that's it. Okay, so this wire shows that this is the display port. That wire that I was confused about, that's the display port you can use. But I'm just going to be using the HDMI right here. Let's take this thing inside and try it out. Oh baby! Look at that width. Time to plug it in and try it out. We have power! So in this episode, I'd like to try out this new little segment called Spec Time. What are the specs So I'm gonna say the name again. It is the HP Pavilion 32-inch QHD LED monitor. And its specs are that it is, like I just said, 32-inch screen. The resolution is 2560 by 1440, which is what QHD means. Significantly higher than my previous one. My previous one was a 1080p monitor, and it's just gonna look amazing. It has a 7 ms response rate. This monitor has a ultra-wide viewing angle of 178 degrees. It has LED backlighting and a 10,000,000:1 contrast ratio. It is ultra slim. On the back it takes 2 HDMI ports, a display port, 2 USB ports, and the power port. The side buttons control the power, the volume, and the menu button to control all your settings with your video and audio. Once again, I believe it is about $300 now at Best Buy. I got it for $250, and the original price was $380. On Amazon, I believe it is $380 right now. So we've got it all plugged in. I've got my Xbox plugged into it as well. Xbox actually fits perfectly under the little stand that holds the monitor up, like absolutely fits perfectly. And I'm gonna turn the lights out and try this thing out. Unfortunately, one thing I did forget to mention is that there's no speakers on the monitor, so you won't be hearing what I'm playing on the Xbox. I'll be using a headset. Might get speakers for it eventually, but not really a necessity for me, because 99% of the time I'm using my headset, unless I'm playing with someone else. I'm gonna play some Madden. Was gonna play World War II, but it needs to update. Madden 19 is coming out August 10th. Who's getting it? Comment down below. Alright, let's do it. Run with Ben. Going for it on 4th. Let's do it. Oh yeah, got the first. Oh, keep going. Keep going. Oh, touchdown. Sit down. Boom, sit down. Boom. 3 and out. Throw the ball! Man, that was all bad. I better plant. I'm way back. Oh, fumble! Pick it up! Let's go! I got it! Go. Oh, fumble! Got it again. So it's halftime and we're up 17-0. Let's finish this out. Sack, fumble! Oh, I got it! Oh, run! Oh! Get going! Let's go! Not the first. Touchdown. Oh, no! Oh, fumble again! They got it though. Man, I was offsides. Doesn't matter, I got the first anyway. Nope. And an interception. Take it home, Burns. Take it home. That's the ball game, won 24-0. And if you're wondering how it looks with my laptop plugged into it, this is how it looks. I have Final Cut open right now, and it is just, there's so much space I don't even know what to do with. I can minimize it down, put it over, and have my media right over here. There's just so much space, and I can also use my laptop screen as well. So I just don't know what I'm going to do with all this space. It's so big. And for perspective size, this is my MacBook Pro. It's the 13-inch, and this is my monitor, the 32-inch. I can barely even fit it on my camera lens right now. And that is all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time on Product Prodigy.